See all the fumes? And we breathe that at night, during the daytime, when they park here. So you see, we're getting gassed out over here. And like I said, just on the other side of that wall over there's a school, St. Joseph's church school, elementary school, that they'll sit here and the kids will be out there, and then they'll go ahead and, you know, start gassing them out, man, like they've been doing with us at night. See, there they go again. See all that fumes? That's bad stuff right there. Man, some nasty stuff. I'll be sleeping with my window open, and all of a sudden I could hear them, and all of a sudden, you know, I would get a whiff of that stuff coming into the house. Can you believe that? Wow. Yeah, it's really unbelievable what Union Pacific has been doing over here on the west side, and you know, along with a couple of threats from them. So anyway, yeah, I just want to give you a heads up. It's what actually is going on, because with the smoke, you see the smoke, and you can hear the noise. So anyway, okay. Anything else come up, I'll get on the horn. And like always, you take care, and you take care of those ones you love. Thank you. Thank you very much.